Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand with HubSpot step by step clearly. To protect your brand using HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing dashboard to access the tools you need. Identify the areas where your brand may be vulnerable, such as social media, content, and website. Create a comprehensive brand style guide if you haven't already. Use HubSpot's design tools to ensure all your visual assets follow your brand guidelines. Set up monitoring for your brand mentions across social media and the web. Utilize HubSpot's SEO features to strengthen your online presence and visibility. Create and schedule regular content that reflects your brand values using the Content Strategy tool. Ensure your contact database is segmented for effective communication with your audience. Implement lead nurturing workflows to build stronger relationships with your leads. Use HubSpot's reporting tools to analyze engagement metrics and brand perception. Regularly review your brand's online reputation through HubSpot's Marketing Hub. Conduct competitor analysis to understand how your brand stands in the market. Adjust your strategies based on insights gleaned from HubSpot Analytics. Engage your audience directly through HubSpot's social media tools. Encourage customer feedback to monitor brand sentiment effectively. Address any negative feedback promptly and professionally using HubSpot's customer service tools. Continuously refine your brand strategy based on data insights and customer interactions. Consider using HubSpot's automation features to streamline brand protection processes. Stay updated on changes in digital marketing trends using HubSpot's resources. By following these steps, you can take proactive measures to safeguard and strengthen your brand through HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.